Mr. Coffee iced tea maker. Wow, look at this. Open it up, and it's got the components to make your iced tea. So here's your Mr. Coffee iced tea maker. The number of components. The water goes here. Here's your on-off button to brew the tea. This pitcher has your basket and a special lid that fits into it. And when you're finished brewing it, you pull the basket away, and this is your serving basket with a filter end on it. So it's a very, very nice complete setup for making iced tea. I highly recommend it.